everyone, I'm Jean and welcome to jeangrey.com. So today we're going to double check our blog posts from yesterday. Yesterday we posted a bunch of blog posts using our auto post tool. So today we're going to double check in Google if na-index na ba or wala. So tara, let's go, samahan nyo. So we have one content here. So this content, we're going to double check if na-index na ba kay Google. So we're going to copy and the link. So here we go. Ditching AI. Generated slope for human. So this was the content we published 23 hours ago. So you remember, we scheduled content and ito siya. No, 24 hours ago. And the other one is real is the new viral. So ayan siya, guys. And we also have from AI fatigue to viral success, why real stories are blah blah blah. So it is indexed on Google. So now let's find out if nag-rank na ba itong title natin. So let's start from this one. So this is the meta title and i-check natin kung andyan pa siya. Yes, kung nakita nyo, nandyan po siya. It is now indexed using the title, of course. But it is a long tail keyword and the title. So it's very easy to get indexed, right? But you know, guys, there are some blogs or websites that they're having hard time to get indexed, especially even though it is URL or the title itself, nahirapan silang mag-index. But using our auto post tool, it is really, it is now catching and included to the AI overview, but the keyword is this. So now let's start with this keyword, how to beat AI slope and win in 2026. So included pa rin siya. Ayan, andyan, nakikita nyo. So cited sa AI overview yan. So jeangrey.com is here. And let's going to make it something shorter. Kukunin naman natin itong isang topic. Real is the new viral na keyword. Very easy, not very competitive. I-check natin if andyan ba yung ating website. So currently, wala pa siya, pero asa lang tayo, manalig, and we will be there. So now, let's try the other one. Okay, of course, this one, the AI fatigue. It is also indexed, guys. Ito pala yung kanina. So the other one is the authenticity advantage. Okay, so yeah. Ayan na siya. So, it's very easy to get indexed on Google using our tool. So, ganun siya kaganda and super bilis siya. And yeah, since this is the blog post, I don't have much KPI on it. I just want to be updated and have a fresh content every day coming out from my blog. So, Google will love my website. And now, I'm going to show you a preview of my Google Search Console. So, this is the actual preview currently. Currently, I have this 23 clicks for last update 5 hours ago, 19.4 impressions, but 0.1% CTR, and average is 11.2. And now let's check our Hrefs. So this is our Hrefs, guys. Currently, we have an increment coming from our organic traffic, and it is 574. So yeah, that's all. And after this video, I'm going to post more content. So tomorrow and the next tomorrow and tomorrow. So I am planning to schedule content up to end of this month so that I'm not going to worry anymore about the updates. While I am sleeping, my website is posting, scheduling, and continue working for me. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye!